Oh, she's not gonna do it now.
And she will. Get mad at it. That one didn't have the distance as the other one.
Let's try this
Oh,
again. This is like an Olympic sport for you now.
Okay. I can't even get it in. Oh, that one was just sad. That one was just sad. And then she just...
Her eyeballs are... She looks like a dog when he scratches his belly. It's like...
You can do it one more time? Get the hands out of the way. They're blocking the distance. It's like on her cheeks, so she...
She's like, I'm done with this.